Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you a few new changes I've made to the system. Nothing initiating device related, but I did change out a few of the alarms. As you saw if you watched a recent video on my channel, this is my new System Sensor P2RL horn strobe, which was replacing a P2R, and that's the first change. And yeah. In here we used to have just a regular strobe, but now we have a horn strobe set on low volume, if you can see that. But yeah. And then down here I changed this out just to put some red lettering on it. Just so people know it's, fire and not the weather video going off. It's actually a tiny bit louder than the other one. So let's just go test it real quick. And nothing else in the system has changed. Let's just put it in the drill mode. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.